Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious honey garlic chicken and vegetables recipe. This recipe is so good and very simple to make. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. We're using 3 large chicken breasts for this recipe, and the first thing we're going to do is pound the chicken. Pounding the chicken will even them out, that way they cook evenly and faster. Once the chicken breasts are pounded, we're going to set them aside for later. Next, I'm going to peel and cut up 2 large sweet potatoes off camera. Place the cut up sweet potatoes onto a large baking sheet. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil all over the sweet potatoes, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and toss everything together very well. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the sweet potatoes for 20 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are baking, we're going to put together the honey garlic sauce. In this bowl, there are 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of dried basil, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Next, add 4 cloves of minced garlic, then mix everything together. So by this time, the sweet potatoes should be done baking and out of the oven. We only baked the sweet potatoes for 20 minutes, so they're not fully baked, they're only partially baked. The only reason we pre-baked the sweet potatoes is because they take longer to bake than the rest of the ingredients. Make space in the middle of the baking sheet, then place the chicken breast into it. Next, we're going to add some broccoli to the chicken and sweet potatoes. We're using about 1 pound of broccoli florets. Next, we're going to pour the honey garlic sauce all over the chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Once everything is beautifully assembled, you're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to bake for 20 to 22 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The aroma of this meal when it comes out of the oven is so divine, but we're not done yet. We're going to pour all the sauce from the baking pan into another pan over medium heat. We're going to thicken the sauce by mixing 1/4 cup of water with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add the mixture to the sauce. Stir it in and let the sauce simmer on medium heat for about a minute until it thickens up just like this. Pour the sauce all over the chicken and vegetables, then this meal is ready to be enjoyed. The chicken came out very tender and juicy. The sweet potatoes are so soft and sweet, they're my favorite. If you want to make this delicious honey garlic chicken and vegetables recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.